We are Learning Matters, and we are here to revolutionize teaching and learning. StarTeacher program.
Students learn in different ways, so it becomes critical for teachers to understand this and adapt their teaching style accordingly so that their students can learn better.
We teach teachers effective teaching techniques which makes their classes more student-centric.
ಚಂದ ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿನೂ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ಏನೋ ನೀವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವರು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು.
Tremendous shift in the way teachers teach in the classrooms. They are moving away from rote learning methods to activity and inquisitive based methods.
The StarTeacher ToolBox contains educational goodies that teachers can use to explain and demonstrate concepts better in the classroom.
It encourages students to interact with and experiment with concepts. It's really simple to use and promotes collaboration between teachers and students. It makes classroom learning more student-centric, relatable, interesting and fun.
This is our bit to improve the future of education in India, because learning matters.